What is up, everybody? My name is Alvin, and today we're gonna be opening up the Island Guardians GX box. Let's do it. Alright, everybody. Let's get this box open. Wait for it. Island Guardians GX Premium Collection box. This thing is ginormous, but let's just go ahead, open it up, and let's see what we get. Ooh, whoa. First off, we have this awesome playmat. Let's look at that. Whoa, let me show it on this screen. Whoa, is that nice or what? Let me put this down. It's all the Tapus. Very cool. Very vibrant too. I like it. I like these colors. Okay. Comes with a coin. Tapu Lele coin. Ooh. Can you see it? Focus. It's not focusing. Hello. There we go. Tapu Lele. On the back, the usual Pokemon logo. Yes. Okay. And then, let's see. We got Tapu Lele GX promo card. Look at that. Very nice. Love the colors. Very cool. And then we got Tapu Fini right here. What? No, I'm pretty sure that's just part of the art. I thought this was like a part of the holo ripped off or something. I'm pretty sure it's just part of the art though. Let me take a closer look. Yeah, it's part of the art. That would be crazy if that was just like got nicked off or something by the factory, but no, that looks about right. We got this code card, which I will share on my Instagram, which is at Tankski_TCG. Be sure to follow. I give away tons of stuff, tons of codes there, so yeah, follow along. And then let's see what else we got here. We got 2 Lost Thunder booster packs. 2 Evolutions booster packs. We got 2 Forbidden Light booster packs. And we have 2 Ancient Origins booster packs. And we have actually one more thing in this box, which is the jumbo card. I love jumbo cards. I don't know, I think they're just hilarious. They look awesome. It's just like a giant holographic card. Like, who wouldn't want that? I think that's so cool. Yes, put that back there. And yeah, without further ado, man, these Ancient Origins is really old. What year is this from? It's the XY set, so 2015. Okay. Without further ado then, let us open up these packs. Man, these are sealed tight. Okay. Got it. XY. So I guess that means the card trick is 3 from the back. Oh man, these cards are way tight. They're in there deep. I don't want to rip this booster because, because I like collecting booster pack covers. I don't know. It's just something I used to do as a kid. Here's the code. I mean, one of each. I don't collect every single booster pack, but one of each design. I have not opened up any Ancient Origins, so yeah, this will be my first time. Energy Recycler, Whimsicott, Tyranitar Spirit Link, Meowth, Eevee. Ooh, cool. That's some cool artwork. Porygon, Baltoy, Malamar, reverse holographic, and it's a rare, Metagross. Very cool. I like that. And Metagross regular rare. I guess this doesn't mean, I guess this white card in the old boosters doesn't mean you're gonna get a holographic. Alright. Learned something new today. Ancient Origins. This is Groudon? Is that like a shiny version of Groudon? Because isn't Groudon usually red? Anyway. Ugh. And the Rayquaza on the other booster is like black. Interesting. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe those are the shiny versions. Alright, so I learned now that this doesn't mean you have a holographic, but here's the code. We got Hex Maniac, Vespiquen, Sceptile Spirit Link, Baltoy, Beldum, Golurk, Relicanth, Cottonee, reverse holographic Quagsire. That's funny. He's playing with sand. Looks like he has hair. That's hilarious. And Mega Tyranitar EX. What? That is awesome. If you saw my other video, you'll know that I have this theory going on where collection boxes give out better pulls than booster boxes because I opened up a ton of Lost Thunder booster boxes and it gave me nothing. Well, not nothing. I got full arts, but no rainbow rares, no secret rares. And then I'm pulling out these awesome mega cards. Like, I think we're onto something, guys. I think we're onto something. Okay, we got Forbidden Light, Sun and Moon. I believe this is the first time I will be opening such booster packs. Oh man, I ruined that. Ruined it completely. Here's the code. It's a green code, so probably no holographic. Okay, Fire Energy, Sliggoo, Frogadier, Enneporter, Skrelp, Froakie, Croagunk, Execute, Scatterbug, ooh, reverse holographic Go-Goat, and Abomasnow regular rare. Okay. Now, Greninja booster pack. Let's see. Oh man, totally ruined that one as well. Okay. Ooh, Noibat knocking on the door. Here's the code, and it's it's gonna be a good one, guys. What's it gonna be? Grass Energy, Bonnie, Gabite, Tyrant, Noibat, Gibble, Execute, Goomy, Bergmite, Reverse Holographic Sliggoo, and Diantha Holographic. Okay. And we're going to XY Evolutions. This is way old. What year is this? It's gotta be, ooh, 2016. Not crazy old like I thought, but nonetheless, still pretty old. We got Raichu on the cover. Okay. Come on, why does this corner always get stuck? Ooh. Okay. We got a green code. Maybe it means something, maybe it doesn't mean anything. We'll find out. We got Energy Retrieval. That's okay. Evolutions, I remember. It's a reprint of like the originals. Yes. I actually have all these from 20 years ago. Man, this is like a throwback. This is a trip down memory lane for sure. Ooh, Magnemite Reverse Holographic. These borders are like really thick on the left-hand side. That was poor cutting. And Arcanine Regular Rare. Okay. For a millisecond, I thought maybe that could have been Charizard because like the damage was so much high, but it was not meant to be. We got Charizard here though. Charizard on the cover. Does that mean I'm gonna get a Charizard inside? We'll have to see. I hope so. I hope it works like that. Probably not though. Just throwing it out there. Ugh. Okay. Ooh, green. Does that mean no holographic? We'll see. It was true in the first one, so. Charizard Spirit Link. Charmeleon. Super Potion. Machop. How many cards are in this set? 108. The very first set was 102, I remember. Doduo. Staryu. This border's cut better, but the bottom is still so thick and the right hand side is still so thick. Weird. Ooh, reverse holographic Machamp. Very cool. And Starmie Regular Rare. Okay. Moving on to the last two packs. We got Zeraora on both of them. Lost Thunder. Can I get a super secret rare? Can I get a rainbow rare? A full art? A trainer full art? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we got nothing here. Just regular rare. I still do need Celebi Prism though, so it is possible to pull a Prism card even with that green card, green code card. So let's see. Celebi Prism, Bruxish, Dedenne, reverse holographic Chinchou, and regular rare Ho-Oh, but I like this art a lot. I really like this Ho-Oh. I pulled a reverse holographic Ho-Oh. It was awesome. Okay, last pack. Can I get some last pack magic? I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Ooh, no. It's a green code. But that Celebi Prism Rare is still possible. Still possible. Darkness Energy. Xatu. Bayleef. Dedenne. Mareep. Phanpy. Nincada. Marill. Wurmple. Reverse Holographic Granbull. Granbull. It's a rare too. And Moltres regular rare. Okay. Let's see. Let's review what we got here. So we got Diantha holographic, Mega Tyranitar EX with that oh so aggressive Japanese writing, Destroyer King, wow. Tapu Fini GX card, looking very nice. Tapu Lele GX. And that's it, guys. That was the Island Guardians GX collection box. If you like this video, guys, please like, subscribe, browse the channel. I have so many videos. I'm gonna be continually uploading more videos as new sets come out. So yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.